Alrighty, it looks like I'm dummy number one. Dummy number one, dummy number. Wait a minute. How did other dummy number one get here? Is he a quote me or something? And do one of these scanning samples belong to him or something? Hello there, whoever's watching this. This is my first Among Us tutorial. What I'm showing you right now is how I managed to turn into somebody else. So I use that little computer and I turn myself into a shapeshifter to turn into somebody else. Then I turn myself into a crewmate or an imposter, doesn't matter. And then back to myself, or I can be an engineer or a guardian or whatever. Just as long as I was a shapeshifter before, you know, it works. You look like somebody else. This is a tiny glitch that I discovered. So if I turn myself into a shapeshifter with that little computer, so let's say I shapeshift into this dummy number 6, and then if I go over here, and then I turn myself to imposter, I'll never shapeshift back. Okay, I will if I turn myself into a shapeshifter, and then if I turn myself into a crewmate, still, I'm playing as somebody else. So now I can pretend that I'm really lazy. I can pretend that dummy number 6 spends all his time playing video games, although he doesn't. Other people think that I'm dummy number 6, although I'm actually not. Okay, technically there's no real people in this. You can't do this in a real game because that's cheating. But you can use a similar type of glitch to do a ton of other things. Anyway, those little things, those are just tasks. They don't really do anything. They just add a task to your tasks list. So you see, I added cafeteria empty garbage, and now it's in my tasks list. And now I can just do some tasks and pretend I'm somebody else. And now I can turn myself to imposter. Oops, I accidentally called emergency meeting. Oh well. And I guess I had something to show you about emergency meetings anyway. So in the emergency meeting, you will appear as yourself, just like you are when you're a shapeshifter. But in game, then you will appear as the person who you shapeshifted to, and it will save. You see, I'm still dummy number 6. It's quite cool if you ask me. I really like this method. It's one of my favorite things to do when Among Us for some reason blocks me from playing. I really hate it when that happens. Do you? It sure is annoying. But if I turn myself into a crewmate, it's the exact same thing. Oops, accidentally put on my apps bar. Then I can do more and more tasks. Oh, wait a minute. I was already crewmate. Sorry, because the audio didn't record and it was having trouble to do the audio sync correctly. Yeah, so I can do tasks, I can do stuff, and all pretending to be somebody else. It's a really fun thing to do. If you ask me, this is amazing. Just amazing. I remember in their version of the tutorial though, I turned myself to imposter. And then everybody thought that dummy number 6 was the imposter, but it was actually me. I remember after that, then dummy number 6 got voted off the ship. And then I'm doing a ton of tasks, and guess that about wraps it up for my tutorial. Bye, and thanks for watching, whoever you are.